Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful paper quilling flower pot greeting card, and this is the easel card for Teachers Day. I have created this card for last minute idea to create on the Teachers Day, and this is super duper easy and very pretty. You can just stand it like this to decorate the desk. So let's get started. First, here I am taking white cardstock which measures 26 by 10.5 centimeters. I am just folding this from center. This white cardstock is having 250 GSM thickness. Now I am taking the top flap and again folding it from center to create the easel. Super duper easy. So card base is ready. Now I'm taking one purple color cardstock which measures 10.5 by 8.5 centimeters, and I'm just creating the pot shape using this purple cardstock. So pot cutout is done. Now I'm taking one more purple cardstock and one pattern paper and just sticking the pattern paper on top of the purple cardstock, which I'm going to stick it inside the card. Like this, and on top portion also I am adding one pattern paper which is already stuck on purple cardstock. Then taking the pot shape and adding glue only on the bottom part, don't add on the strip, and just aligning it in the center of the card and sticking it very well. Then we just need to cut this excess white cardstock on the edge of or on the border of this pot shape. And it will look like this. Now I'm just decorating the top line of the flower pot using gold mirror cardstock strip. Also wrapping one pink color satin ribbon around this to decorate it little bit more. Now to start with paper quilling flower, here I am taking one strip of medium purple color and making one pointed teardrop shape. Similarly, we need total 6 more teardrops to create one flower. So I'm joining total 7 teardrops with each other to construct the flower shape. And the flower is ready. And also we need some flowers in smaller size which are made using half strips in light purple, dark purple and medium purple shades. Now taking back my card, and I will start arranging all my flowers one by one only on the pot. Don't stick it on the base, otherwise it will not get stand. And this is done. Now I'm just decorating the center part of each flower using white color half cut pearl. Like this. Then to make the leaf, I am taking here 1/4 strip of sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. So I have already prepared some more leaves and I am going to tuck these leaves between the flowers. Like this. And then at the end I am adding one sentiment Happy Teachers Day. To give little dimension to the sentiment, I am just adding 4 to 5 pieces of small cardstock on back side of this. You can also use double-sided foam tape or cardboard piece. Now just opening the card and aligning exactly in the center. I have decorated the bow also using one quilling flower. And then exactly in the center I am adding sentiment Happy Teachers Day, which will also help to stand our easel pot. Like this. You can tuck the pot behind the sentiment and it is looking absolutely gorgeous. So the beautiful card is ready. It's looking very stunning. Now just decorating the flower pot little bit more. I am taking my white color gel pen and creating some small dots here and there. like this, and you can just open the card like this and gift it to your best teacher or favorite teacher. You can create these kind of cards in different color combinations. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.